question I get asked a lot is who rents your flex spaces? So I thought I would go business by business and show you guys. Boxing club, that's this space. He has tires, I'm assuming that's for training. You got glass in and PPF. You got over here off-road suspension lift kits, as you can see, but more importantly, look at the sign. Over here you have, it says main door. I don't know what this guy does exactly, but obviously he needs flex space. And then you have pool, deck, coating, decorative construction, furniture, and you can see he does garages, epoxy, and stuff like that. Needs a flex space. Over here you have an entire building, and that entire building is leased by one tenant who does collision and mechanical repair. Over here you have a welding school, and it says industrial welding school. Over here you have pizza place, which is pretty cool, I thought, and you have another window tint shop right here. This is written in Spanish, unfortunately, so I don't know what they do exactly. This is upholstery. You have over here suite 408. I don't know what they do exactly because the sign is kind of small, but it does say office hours and does mention that they're open. Over there, products. I don't know what that means, but they do products of some kind. Tuning. These guys do the JDM vehicles. This is also pool and coating and that type of thing. You have logistics. I think these guys do Amazon fulfillment of some kind. And then over here you have a lawnmower repair facility. So yeah, to answer that simple question, that is what people do in flex spaces.